So hey everyone, this is Pranav, Developer Relations at Router Protocol, and I welcome you all to Module 8 of Learning Router Nitro. This module focuses on utilizing the Asset Transfer SDK of Router Protocol. This SDK, available as an NPM package, streamlines asset swapping between different blockchains. By installing the packages and importing required libraries, you can seamlessly transfer assets across different blockchains. So prior to diving into the SDK usage, let's establish our initial environment and install all necessary libraries and tools. So to begin, you have to open your preferred code editor. I love using VS Code, so I'll be using VS Code for this tutorial. Next, you need to ensure that you have Node.js installed. So if it's not installed yet, I request you all to first download it and install it, then you can revisit this tutorial. And now let's proceed with the following steps. So first thing that you have to do is you have to create a new project directory. So let me create a new project directory with the command mkdir and give the name for the directory. So I'll be giving the name as Nitro course. So as you can see, my new directory has been created. So let me just cd to that directory by writing this. Yeah. And let me just open that. Next, we need to initialize a package.json file which will manage your project's dependencies using yarn. So let me type yarn init -y. Great. Next, let's install TypeScript as our development dependency using yarn. So for that, I have to type yarn add -d and then TypeScript. Great. Next, what we have to do is we have to generate a basic TypeScript configuration file using the TypeScript compiler. That we can do by using yarn tsc --init. So this basically creates a ts.config file, this one, at the root of your project. It defines the compiler options for how TypeScript code will be transpiled to JavaScript. Next, what we have to do is let's create a new file in which we'll be writing a code. So for that, let me use the touch command. So let me give the name of the file as touchindex.ts. So as you can see, a new file has been created with the name index.ts. Now, since TypeScript code needs to be compiled to JavaScript before Node.js can execute it, you need to use the ts node package for the development. So for that, you need to install ts node as a development dependency. So let me run yarn add -d ts node and then press enter. Let's wait. Great. So now the basic setup has been done. The next thing that we have to do is to install the latest version of Asset Transfer SDK. Next, you need to run this command, that is yarn add @router protocol /asset transfer SDK -ts. So this you can find on the npm page, or else we'll be providing it in the cookbook, so you can check it out from the cookbook itself. So this was all about how to establish our initial environment and installing all the necessary libraries and tools. In the next module, we'll be actually writing the code and transferring our assets from one blockchain to another. So I'm very excited for the next tutorial. I hope you are also excited enough. So see you in the next module. Bye-bye.